Myself, Mrs. Rosaline NIRMALA, Department of Physical Science, Dr. S.ROSALINE College of Education. In this video, we are going to see about the principles of test construction. Before that, we will see what is test. Test is nothing but it is also one of the assessment technique. We are assessing the skills and what are the achievements and also other extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities. That's why we are keeping the test. So the principles of the test construction. First principle is planning the test. So planning the test is nothing but we are planning which topic to be conducted and what are the portions and what are the test items we are going to see. So what are the marks also for each subdivision. For section A, what is the mark we are allotting? Section B, what is the mark? And section C, what is the mark we are allotting? So that is called as planning the test. Next one is preparing the test. Preparing the test is nothing but we are preparing the question paper. So question paper also you have to print in a pakka paper, everything, letters, everything, and clearly you have to mention the subdivision also. Section A, what is it? Section B, section C. So what are the words to be written in that particular section B or section C also. So and also we are editing the question paper. That is called as preparing the test. Then administering the test is nothing but which place you are going to conduct the test and also time because we must see the place of the test which we are going to conduct. So that is also very important because proper ventilation is also more important to keep the test also. So administering the test is nothing but which place and time. Okay, so that is called as, and also the time duration of the each test. That is called as administering the test. Next one is scoring key. Scoring key is nothing but after conducting the test, we are preparing the answer key for each question. Okay, so answer key, you all know that answer key, suppose you have a question paper, first division is the objective based test item, second one very short answer, third one essay type. So objective based, we all know that is the correct answer. If they have written a correct answer, we are giving a mark. So very short answer also, what is the important points, that is also main thing. So we are allotting the marks for the 2 marks means, so according to that we are keeping the scoring key also. Then essay type, suppose if you are asking a diagrammatic questions, so what are the construction of a vernier caliper, so you must write what is vernier caliper, then what are the construction, the theory part is also important, then the diagram of the vernier caliper, then what are the points, what are the main points in the vernier caliper also. So according to that we are giving the answer key and also allotting the marks for the each step, that is called as scoring key. The last step is nothing but evaluation. Evaluation is nothing but we are analyzing all the question and answer and marks of all the students. So how many marks they have taken, then each question we are analyzing. Suppose you have the objective type, suppose if you have 10 questions in objective type, so you are analyzing how many of you got first question right and how many of you have got like that, we are analyzing and we are taking the analyzation of the each question and evaluating. So suppose all the students have got wrong in 4th question, so we are evaluating that one, why they have got wrong in that particular question. So we are also having some feedback about that and we are doing the remedial teaching also. That is called as evaluation. So here also it comes as an item analysis that can also be used. So in a higher level, the item analysis can also be used to check the each question also. That can also comes under the test principles of the test construction. So So the principles of the test construction, first one is planning the test, second one is preparing the test, third one administering the test, fourth one scoring the test, fifth one evaluation. So these are the steps in the principles of constructing the test.